Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss right here on MooMoo. And if you want to stop loss, the first thing that we're going to do is we are using right here the MooMoo platform. And if you don't have any idea how to get any MooMoo platform, I created a video with how to download the MooMoo platform. And then after that, we go right here to custom. So right here, then we click on active trader, and then we are having Apple right here. And this is just a good example to show you how to create a stop loss order. Because if you go to the right here, we can select right here the symbol, Apple is fine. Right here, we have the regular trading hours. And then from here, we have a limit order type. Now we can also create right here a market order, that is fine too. And then we fill in right here with how much quantity we want to buy the Apple share. Then we can click right here on stop loss. And right now we can fill in the amount that when the price will hit that amount, he will automatically stop our losses and close the trade. So let's say when the price goes down to $300, that is an estimated loss of $65, he will close our trade immediately, so that is great. And then we click right here on trade or buy in your position. And I'm not verified on MooMoo because I made more than 3K videos on more than 50 brokers exchanges, and I won't give every single broker my details. But when you are using a real account and verify your account, you can buy it right here with a nice stop loss order. So this is what you need to know about stop loss. If you have questions about creating a stop loss, please comment it down below so I can help you out right there. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.